welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy homemade slushies. These are super fun to do with the kids. You can do a variety of flavors in the summer or the spring or whenever you want to do them. So what you're going to need is 2 cups of ice water. This is about 1.5 cups of water with half a cup of ice. 4 additional cups of ice, a 1/3 cup granulated sugar, and a packet of powdered drink mix like Kool-Aid. You can use any flavor you want. So this is a great simple way to do a treat with the kids for less than like 50 cents. This normally makes about 4 slushies. So you're going to go ahead and add your ice water to the blender, which was the 1.5 cups water with half a cup ice, along with your sugar, your packet of drink mix, and then your additional 4 cups of ice. And then you're just going to blend this up. So we're about to blend that, and we're doing cherry this time. So as you can see, it makes about 4 glasses of slushie. It's fun to serve with the family, and we like to do a variety of flavors. So here we have all of our different flavors that we have tried over the years. This is a super fun recipe, very quick to make with the kids. They can even probably do it themselves when they get a little bit older, and it's just a fun little treat. So also, if you wanted to do it sugar-free or low sugar, you could also do that with Splenda or another alternative. So you can find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next recipe. Thanks for tuning in.